Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about different topics, my about my free times and about the places where I want to visit and so many things. I am going to talk about it. So I'm going to start with my free time. What do I do in my free time? So when uh, I have a free time, in my free time, I love to talk with myself in English. I love when I am free. I love to talk with myself, and I practice to talk with myself in front of the mirror. And I love sing a song when I have a free time. I love sing a song, and I I sing English songs. I sing Hindi songs, and in I sing Hindi song more better than English song because I am practicing my spoken English, so I am not more fluent in singing in English song, in singing in English language, but I can sing some songs in English. So I love to sing. I love singing. That's why sometimes I sing English songs. And I know sometimes I made mistakes, but I love to sing a song in English. And in Hindi, even I sing a song in Hindi, and I think songs are connected to our souls when it's come from our heart, like the when we start singing, the rhythm of songs come from our souls. We sing from our heart, not our mind. So I think singing a song makes me feel relaxed and calm. So it's whenever I feel that I'm feeling a bit tired, or when I feel that I am exhausted, I took a break and I started singing a song. Songs help me to feel calm, and it's make my mood uh, to work again. So I love sing a song, and and I love to travel. I when I was in fifth standard, I I visited. I went uh, Jammu Kashmir Jammu Kashmir, Rishikesh, um, and different palaces in Jammu. And there is a temple, Mata Vaishno temple, or different places I visited there. And in 2025, last 2025, I visited. I went Delhi for my friend wedding, uh, and I enjoy a lot. So I want to. I love travel, and I want to. I love travel, and I want to explore different palaces, and I love to explore different palaces and learn about different cities, different cities and different and meet different people. I love a lot and I enjoy a lot. And I think it's not just traveling, it's a learning. We learn a lot when we travel and when we visit different palaces. And when you go somewhere and you not only uh, spending your time, you learn different things like food, culture, and the people. Like I want to travel in different countries. Like I want to go USA. I want to go Canada. I want to visit different countries. I think uh, going in a different countries and learning about different cultures and knowing the people from there, it's a it's a learning, it's a knowledge. You get a knowledge about them, and it's a good thing. Traveling is not only you spend your time to enjoy. It's not only enjoyable, it's also you learn different culture, different you meet different people. So I love a lot. If I have a chance to travel, I love to go. Do you like to travel? Tell me in the comment. And what what places that you want to explore. And I love uh, taking pictures. I think everyone loves taking picture, and it's a it's a memory when we visited somewhere and we take a picture. So it's become our memorable. It's become memorable for us. So when I visited my friend wedding, I take so many pictures with her, with her family, and I enjoy a lot. So there is so many things that are very interesting in our life, and you have to enjoy. You have to do your work. Life is beautiful, no? You know. You have to just enjoy. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it looks like easy, but that makes our life beautiful. So I am here on the roof and I am practicing my spoken English, because when I need a place where I can sit alone and record myself. It's not possible for me to make a video while walking or talking. I see a lot of people, a lot of practitioner who they are practicing spoken English. They make a video and that's very interesting, but it's not possible for me because everyone is speak uh, behind me. That's why, like my family. So it's not for me. That's why I record myself sitting one place. I wanted to explore like that, but it's not possible for me. So let's jump to my point that I was talking about my what I love to do, what I like to where I like to travel, and there were so many things that I want to discuss with you. And I love reading books. I love reading. I but I have only one book. I want to buy more. I just read it one book, Ikigai, and this is best book to understand how our health is important, how our purpose is important in our life. So I just finished one book because I have only one book to read. So I read this book I think 10 times, and I learn very I learned many things from this book, like taking care of health, living with the purpose, and how we can live longer life, doing exercise, uh, and how uh, Japanese people live their life. There are so many things in this book that I learned, and it's a very interesting book. You can also read it. So I just read it. I just read it only one book, but I read it. I read it. I think 10 times, more than 10 times, and it's an interesting book. If you want to learn about health, about longer life, and about purpose, this is the good book. This is the best book that you can read. So that's all about it today that I want to talk about it. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe, and comment below, uh, because your thoughts make motivated me to work hard and practice more to become better communicator. Thank you.